Are you looking? With more parents seeking control over what goes into their baby's meals, the demand for baby food makers has skyrocketed. These appliances simplify making fresh, healthy baby food at home, saving time and money. Whether you're a new parent or upgrading your kitchen gear, this guide reviews the top baby food makers based on ease of use, steaming. List number: Evola's Baby Food Maker, Steamer, Blender, 6 reusable food pouches included. The Evola's Baby Food Maker is a smart, user-friendly appliance that combines multiple baby food prep tasks into one sleek machine. With an intuitive touchscreen interface, this device steams and blends food in minutes, ensuring optimal nutrition retention. Its standout feature is the inclusion of 6 reusable food pouches, making it perfect for on-the-go feeding. Parents love its auto-cleaning mode, BPA-free materials, and compact design. Whether you're preparing fruits, vegetables, meats, or grains, Evola's system delivers consistently smooth purees. It's also whisper quiet, making it suitable for meal prep during nap time. List number: Baby Brezza One-Step Baby Food Maker Deluxe. The Baby Brezza One-Step Deluxe lives up to its name with true one-button functionality. It steams and blends automatically, no transferring required. The large bowl capacity allows you to prepare multiple meals at once, and the dishwasher-safe parts make cleanup a breeze. With its built-in timer and auto shut-off feature, it's a safe and reliable tool for new parents. It can handle everything from hard root vegetables to soft fruits, offering consistently smooth textures. Baby Brezza's all-in-one design minimizes counter clutter and effort. Perfect for parents who want convenience. List number: Groncy Baby Food Maker with Steam Basket. The Groncy Baby Food Maker offers impressive multi-functionality at a competitive price point. This 6-in-1 unit steams, blends, grinds, and warms, meeting all of your baby food prep needs. The LED screen and simple knob controls make operation easy for first-time users. A standout feature is the separate steam basket, which allows you to preserve nutrients better than blended-only models. It also has auto cooking and grinding, meaning less hands-on work for parents. Compact and BPA-free, this is a solid choice for budget-conscious families looking for value and functionality. List number: NutriBullet NBY 50100 Baby Complete Food Making System. From the trusted kitchen brand NutriBullet comes the NBY 50100 Baby Food System, designed specifically for baby food prep. This compact blender-based system includes everything you need: a 32-ounce blender bowl, 6 storage cups, freezer tray, and recipe guide. While it lacks built-in steaming, its high-powered blending produces ultra-smooth purees ideal for early feeding stages. The easy-to-use twist and blend operation is a win for time-crunched parents. Bonus: the included batch tray and date dial storage containers make organizing meals a breeze, ideal for parents who prefer batch cooking or already have a steamer at home. List number: Mom Yeezy Baby Food Maker with bottle warmer and auto cooking. The Mom Yeezy Baby Food Maker stands out for its multifunctional capabilities, combining a food processor, steamer, blender, bottle warmer, and sterilizer. This all-in-one solution is perfect for parents juggling multiple tasks. The one-button steam and blend feature is easy to operate, while its dual-layer basket supports multiple food types simultaneously. What really impresses is the bottle warming feature, rare in this price category. It's compact, quiet, and crafted with food-grade, BPA-free materials. Whether you're steaming carrots or warming a bottle, Mom Yeezy delivers versatility and performance.